All right, traders, it's Mark here. Let's get into today's juicy trading signals. A lot of people thought today was going to be a slow, stagnant day, and boy, were they wrong. All right, because we had some really powerful sell signals and buy signals. So let's get into it, folks. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's price action chart of the S&P 500. This is the global benchmark, probably the most liquid symbol to trade on all symbols. Forex, futures, stocks, and options. You guys know it's all good. And what you're seeing overlaid, ladies and gentlemen, on this chart is our proprietary volume indicator. This is our green and red color band that, in my opinion, does a fantastic job of predicting the trend. Okay. Look, folks, if you want to get your trading right and if you want to fix your trading mistakes, then in my humble opinion, the first thing, the primary thing, and the only thing that you got to get right is how to identify the starting point of a trend, right? As we did today on this color change from green to red. Make sense? We want to know this location, the start. We don't want to know the middle. We definitely don't want to know the end, right? Right over here is where all the suckers come in and the amateurs. You understand? Because by the time this happens, we've already dumped our short. We've closed out our trade and we are now potentially looking to go long this market. Right? But let's take it from the start. Why did I circle this box right here? Okay, why is this the sell signal and not the color change? Right? Well, folks, the reason this is a sell signal over here is because it meets my pattern requirements and my criteria to identify a potential setup. And folks, I only have 3 of them. All right, I only look for 3 things to be true. Here's what those 3 things are. Number 1, when the color changes from green into red, I then want to see the market plunge a little bit, right? Give me some momentum, keep selling off, and then only after the direction's been confirmed, then give me a nice retracement, aka pullback. All right. Now, how hard was that, ladies and gentlemen? Right? It's just the first 2 conditions. Easy peasy. Now, the last condition, the 3 of 3, what I need to see here, all right, is a red bar that prints after a retracement, and that red bar has got to be printing against a red color band, and this red bar has got to be above the color band. You guys with me? Okay. Folks, we were 3 for 3 right over here at 9:15 in the morning. This was the potential sell signal, and so boom, we'd potentially look to open up a short trade on the open of the next bar. The stop loss location is going to get placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips above this red bar's high. Let's call it right over there. And ladies and gentlemen, if I squish this in and show you how this trade played out, the market took an absolute dump for almost 300 potential ticks. All right, folks, and that's not a small amount. I mean, 300 potential ticks is something that we as day traders dream of catching every single day, man, right? 300 ticks, 500 ticks, 1,000 ticks on some of these symbols, right? So don't you dare tell me that retracement patterns don't work. Folks, in my humble opinion, this retracement pattern is the only thing that works consistently, and I personally don't think I'd be able to spot these patterns or even the right location in the chart, right, on where to go short. I wouldn't be able to notice that without my indicator. And that's why I tell every single person that I meet, man, never ever doubt the power of a volume-based indicator. I mean, the thing is straight up amazing at predicting these trend change if you know what to look for, right? And you guys want to see something funny? Let me show you something funny here. If I spin this forward, all right, to the end of the session, so right now this is basically the aftermarket session, then isn't it interesting how, folks, the volume indicator turned green, all right? We then like to wait for some momentum, show me that the uptrend is confirmed, and then give me a nice deep pullback. And wouldn't you know it, ladies and gentlemen, the condition is true. This is another perfect trading setup that happened even in the aftermarket trading hours, and it still took off for a rocket ship. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.